Well, with the goods and services tax finally becoming a reality, what's the mood of the nation? Are people confused about the new tax system? India Today teams across the country spoke to people trying to get their first reactions for the market. How people rushed for the last minute discounts. Many of them even scrambled to get their first bill with the GST.
Have you ever seen consumers and the people of this country shopping in the midnight? Right now, I'm standing in one of the store of Big Bazaar, which has started an offer called GST Muhurat offer, where they are giving all the products in the range of 2 to 22% discount, and that's the reason people are coming in large number at this point of time. Let me start with this tur dal. You know, tur dal in some time back when we visited it, the price was 74 rupees. Now it is 67 per kg. आप लोग कभी रात के 12 बजे कभी खरीदारी किया आपने?
नहीं, इससे पहले तो कभी रात को 12 बजे शॉपिंग नहीं किया।
आप लोग आज क्यों आए?
बिकॉज दे आर सेलिब्रेटिंग GST फेस्टिवल ना, रेस्टोरेंट।
आप लोगों ने मैसेज भेजा इसलिए आया, लेकिन अभी ऐसा कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है हम लोगों को कि जो हिसाब से सस्ता होना चाहिए था।
पूछा कि किस किस आइटम पे?
हाँ, हमने पूछा कि जो सेम रेट कट करके वापस वही सेम रेट बड़ा लिख के लगाए, तो इसकी वजह क्या है? तो बोले हमको जो लिख के दिया गया वही लगा दिए, इसमें कोई डिस्काउंट वगैरह का भी हमको कोई डिसीजन आया नहीं है इसके लिए।
I think people are a bit confused because there's no clarity, and even the people are here who have not given a proper explanation on what prices, which are the products, you know, on which the prices have come down or the rates have come down. So definitely there would be a lot of confusion maybe in next 1 or 2 days, because these retailers and the grocery store have to make it clear on which products they are giving the discount. But definitely the Muhurat has become, the GST celebration has become, and you can see in this entire grocery store at this point of time in the midnight, large number of people have come here to purchase their grocery items.
I'm going to show you, people are quite a few people are actually still waiting here at the billing center. Quite a few people are still inside shopping. Now as I'm speaking, I can still see a lot of people still coming over there, but little bit confusion, especially when you see the bills. I have with me one of the customers over here. I'm going to first ask him what he bought here. First, you tell me, what all did you buy?
I bought wheat, I bought biscuits, I bought surf and diapers, baby diapers and all. Everything is fine, you know, you can see the bill. It shows GST also. So overall it's very easy and understanding bill where there is no tax we can see. You can just have a look. So there is no some cess, education cess, blah blah blah, and all those things are not there. A little bit, but still it's quite much better.
You know what, Rahul, what's the interesting part over here from this bill? What people are really interested is that right towards the end of it, I'm just going to actually show this. I was also very interested. Earlier you would see a lot of taxes over here, but now after the GST, you just have that total amount and it's a clean bill. So for whatever you bought. However, what's happening as of now, there are two parts over here. One is the state GST and the central GST. Now, for example, for glucose, basically there's 0%. For something else, there's 6%. So they have built it as state GST 6%, central GST 6%, but the amount is still the same. So a lot of confusion galore over here, but ultimately people are extremely happy that finally, you know, the GST is there. And one more thing, did you also come here just for the GST or also for the discounts?
Basically GST, just to check it out what GST is. We have to understand the tax structure of India also. So overall we are getting discounts also. That is also yeah.
So that's an added bonus over here, not just the GST, but also the big discounts that Big Bazaar is giving.
It's 20 minutes past 2 in the night, and I'm here for a quick check on whether GST has been implemented in shops after the Prime Minister's biggest and boldest tax reform and promised that GST is now a reality. On July 1st, this chemist shop is in Noida. We made some purchase. First, let's take the bill from him. Well, thank you. And in this bill, interestingly, see how it still says VAT or value added tax. It also says VAT here, whatever purchase I've made, VAT or value added tax, which is still a state tax, has been added. So this bill right now is not GST compliant. Will it be GST compliant? Let's check with the shopkeeper. आप बताइए हमें कि आपके पास GST नंबर अभी आ गया है?
Yes, मेरे पास GST नंबर मैडम आ गया है और हम लोग कल मॉर्निंग से स्टार्ट कर देंगे ये देने के लिए. और हमारे पास में अभी GST नंबर ये है 09AA LFN3856E1Z0.
Okay, let's show our viewers. How does the GST number looks like. This is what the number has been shared with different traders. Nidan Pharmacy in Uttar Pradesh has got their GST number from the center, and this number means the shop is GST compliant. Rolling out the GST. Hopefully, by the time this piece is telecast in the morning, they will also be GST compliant. For now, it's still sticking with VAT, but we will come back and check whether this shop rolls out the Prime Minister's big dream of one nation, one tax.
My colleague Mayuresh Ganpati now joins me live from Mumbai on this story. Mayuresh, what is the reaction among the people? Are they still confused? Is there a lot of anticipation and excitement about this new taxation regime?
Certainly, Paulami, yesterday also we saw that people were quite excited, and that's why they rushed all these big shopping stores which were open in the midnight also. But people are quite confused when they saw the GST bill, because earlier we used to see a lot of taxes over there, but now they saw only GST, so they got confused over about the prices also. They got confused because they thought that after GST implementation the prices will fall down, but after they received the bill, or after they went there, they saw the prices were like same only. Paulami, I am right now outside CST station, and it's a lane where usually people come and eat over here. You can see that the small eateries over here, they are open, and they don't have any kind of GST, because these people are the small eateries, and the business is less than 50 lakh, and that's why they are out of we can say that they have got some kind of relief in the GST. So that's why these people are running. But we have been given to understand is that the big hotels in Mumbai or the restaurants may remain closed till 1 p.m. to upgrade themselves in the GST format, because they are yet to get upgraded in that format. Back to you, Paulami.
Right. Mayuresh, keep a track on those developments for us and get us those reports from across Mumbai as well. Thank you so much for joining us for the moment.